Now we will discuss the features of an informal invitation. First of all, a question arises: what is an informal invitation? The answer to this lies in these two first lines. Informal invitations follow the pattern of ordinary personal letters. Informal invitations are written to invite friends, relatives, and dear ones with whom we have intimate, personal, and friendly relations. Such letters are very persuasive in nature. That is, if we have official relations with someone, in that case, we write formal letters or formal card is sent. But where we have informal relations, then we send informal invitation. Informal invitations are written in first or second person, that is, we use I, we, or you. Salutation is usually their plus name. In the case of formal invitation, when we had written a letter for formal invitation, we had used the words respected sir or madam. But here, in the case of informal invitation, we normally use their, and then comes the name of our friend or relative or dear one. Complimentary clause, that is, at the last of the informal invitation, we use yours sincerely, yours lovingly, yours loving friend, and so on. In the case of formal invitation, that is when we are using printed cards for inviting someone to birthday party or marriage party, date of invitation, that is when the invitation is being sent, is not written. However, when we invite chief guests, the date is mentioned there. But in case of informal invitation, date of writing has to be written always. Then comes sender's address appears on the left hand side. In the case of formal invitation letter, we had written the subject. We had also written receiver's address. That is when we are to invite a chief guest, we write his name and address, whether he is chief minister or education minister or deputy commissioner or commissioner. We also write subject, invitation as chief guest, or invitation to attend a particular attend sports day as chief guest or something else. That is, we always write subject in case of formal invitation. But in case of informal invitation, we do not write subject or receiver's address. Receiver's address is written only on the envelope of the informal letter. Various tenses are used to suit the sentence. Style and tone are relaxed, informal, and friendly. In case of formal invitation, we use the formal words, or our style and tone is formal, official type. In case of informal invitation, the letter can be elaborative, explaining the details of the event. That is, in the case of informal invitation, you can mention that I am inviting you to my birthday party. In that birthday party, I have also invited our old school friends. My uncle from UK will also attend the party. That is, it can be explaining somewhat more elaborative. But in the case of formal invitation, we cannot be elaborative. It has to be restrictive within the words. Normally, these are 50 words in case of formal invitation. But in the case of informal invitation, no such restriction of wording is there. Make sure you proofread before you send it to the respective guest. Whenever you write informal invitation, you have to write separately to the different persons or relatives. So whenever you send informal invitation, please read it once or twice, so that if there is any mistake in use of grammar or in writing venue or date, the same may be corrected. This is the format of an informal writing. Here we are to write a letter to our friend inviting him to birthday party of your sister. Your name has been mentioned as Riya or Ramesh. First of all, you will write your address. It is not to be the correct address, it may be any hypothetical address. Then you write date on which you are inviting or writing the informal invitation. Then you write the name of your friend or relative or any other dear one to whom you are writing. Then this is the body of the invitation. Normally this is the format which is used in case of informal invitation. Here it is written as, I am extremely happy to invite you to the birthday party of my sister. It may also be written in the exam that you are to write invitation for the marriage party. Here you will write marriage party. Or if it is a party on account of your promotion, you may write it as invite you to the promotion party. Then the venue has also to be mentioned, and the date and time has also to be given, where the party is going to be held, when it is going to be held. Kindly do join us on this happy occasion. Looking forward to see you in person. Yours lovingly, or yours loving friend. Then you are to write name either Riya or Ramesh. You are not to write both these names. You may opt any of these. You may also note that we are to write the date correctly whenever we are writing a letter. In the case of US, that is United States, here when we write the date, month is followed by day and then the year is written. That is, suppose the month is May, then comes the date, this is the year. But in the case of UK and other countries, the format of date is first comes day followed by month and year. That is, the same date is written as 13th May 2022. You will please observe that it is not written as 13th May. It is not correct method of writing the date. You are to write date either as this way or as this way. Normally, when we write formal letters, we use 13th May, or when we write informal letter, we write the date as May 13th, 2022. This is the normal format we may adopt, or you may opt for the method which is being used in your country. Normally, you may use any of these, and in case of formal and informal, you may use these formats. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.